YouTube, what's going on today? How y'all feeling? Your boy back with another video. You see the title. You see what's in the background. Yes, sir. That bad boy's pretty much finally all ready, road legal, and all set up and ready to go. We're gonna go straight over in this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you haven't watched the last video of me taking delivery of my third vehicle, this is my third vehicle. So it's a 03 Ford Taurus SC Wagon. Got it from the auction for $3K. I do say that it is road ready now because as I'm pretty much go over what most people don't tell you about the auction and everything you gotta go through and make sure have everything ready to rock and roll on the road. But went to the auction, of course, the whole bidding process, bidding on the car, boom, boom, boom. So boom, win the car for $3K. So boom, it's already $3K. And then, well, I guess first starting out, you go there, put your $300 cash deposit down or whatever. So I already had $300 down. So the car was $3K. So minus the $300 to put down, I had to pay the $2,700. And then they charge you auction fees. I think it's like $500. The fees vary depending on the price of your car, but I think the fees is about $500. So they equaled up to, was it $3,500? So pretty much 32 plus the extra 3 or whatever. So boom, $3,000 for the car, and then you just have the car, and then you need tags to drive it home. So they did have a nice little tag spot on site. So I did get some hard plates there. They didn't give me the paper temporary registration. They did give me a temporary registration, but they gave me the hard plates. So I had to go and get that and drive the car out of there unless you want to tow it home or ride it legally home with no plates until you can get to the MVA. So my first time going, I just wanted to get everything done in the situation so I could drive the car home. Don't want no problems, nothing crazy like that. So I just went and paid the, I think it was like $500 for the 30-day registration, hard tags and the title and all that paperwork stuff. So that was about $500. Could have been a little bit cheaper, but I put it on the card. So the card charged like a 4% or whatever extra fee. So boom, $3,000 for the car, bang, and then $500 to get the tags and title and stuff. So boom, and then after that, once you got all that, boom, you're able to ride it around. Then you have 30 days to get the car inspected. So took it up there to get inspected, see it was good. Road's fine, shifted fine. I thought everything was good other than the back brakes were, I know I did need back pads and stuff because they were grinding, but took it up there. Long story short, it was about $1,600 in repairs. So I know. So now I'm probably like, what was that, like $4,500 or something like that in the hole for this car. So, but I mean, not bad, reasonable. I did my own research, tried to see the everything, the parts it needed. It needed probably like 8 or so parts. But did my research, looked up, the part prices and all that. So part prices was pretty much about the same from what my guy charged me. Just had to pay for the labor. They had it done within like a day and a half, so not bad. But everything I had to get done, I had to get left side transmission mount. I'm gonna include the picture if I remember. But left side transmission mount, parking brake cables. I had to get all that, and I needed the whole rear brakes. So I fixed that. I needed the rear calipers, rear pads, and rear rotors. So no matter the car's dirty. You can see I just wiped right there. It's real dirty. It's about 2,000 miles worth of dirt, but yeah, they put in new calipers, new brake pads, new rotors, and luckily the calipers they put in were already painted black already, so I don't got to worry about painting those. That's cool. But here's the front ones. They weren't painted, but I'm not gonna worry about it. If the back was look like these, and I would have probably painted them red, do what I had to do. But since the back was already black, that's cool. So yeah, needed pretty much all new back brakes, both sides, and then the parking brake lines, and oh yeah, my front turn signal bulbs, they were like, you can still kind of see like the yellow peel that came off of them. So yeah, I had to do that. Well, they changed that. And oh yeah, guys, another thing you said was wrong. I had to say the cleaners had a big hole in my muffler, but now your boy's brand spanking new muffler on that bad boy. I guess the other things were I think my lower control arms or joints or whatever. Let me change those, all that. But yeah, guys, brand new muffler on that bad boy. I think it's probably one other thing. Like I said, I'm gonna see if I can remember to include the picture. But yeah, now everything is all fixed all the way around. So brakes are good. Front brakes are already good. This other side, but like I said, the amount of car is real dirty. But yeah, guys, so that's what I mean by everything is now road ready. So past inspection. So that was $1,600, $3,000 for the car, $500 for the temporary 30-day registration, and then another $135 to get my 2-year sticker for my tag. So now I'm all good for 2 years, all repaired up, all good to go, no problems. So yeah, guys, this is the I'm sure you the inside out, but yeah, this is the after I cleaned it. Well, it's dirty now, but I'm gonna include before and after pics of how it looked before and after. I had it all shined up, did the trim restore, everything. I'm gonna include the pictures though. guys, that's how I got it looking now. You know, got it modded up, tinted, and tail lights tinted, but stay tuned on that. On that video, I did everything all by myself, guys. So yeah, definitely stay tuned on that video and how I did everything, where I got everything from, how it turned out. But yeah, guys, and I guess the other things that he fixed. This hood latch is now you know, closed, is down. Before, you know, it would latch, but it would like rise, like it would still be like risen up a little bit. So they fixed that hood latch for me for free. And after he was repairing everything and looking over everything, he seen that my motor mount was rusted out too, but he didn't, I guess, catch that in time to put it on the inspection list. So he fixed that out for me free too as well. So pretty cool guy, fixed my hood latch and my motor mount for free. So I'm sure enough rambling. Show you guys the interior. Like I said, don't mind, it's still, you know, very dirty. 2,000 miles is pure working. But yeah, guys, currently it's sitting at, as you can see, 62,000 miles. So like I said, put like 2,000 on it already. No problem, still riding smooth. All that. Like I said, it's pretty much dirty in here. Show you guys the pictures, but yeah. I'll show you guys a little mods I did as well. All cleaned up. Yo, for a 03, I guess the guy was saying, like, I guess a grandma or grandpop, you know, had the car, cause you know, it was pretty much just sitting, but you know, it's still in great condition. Like, for a 20-year-old car, it's in great condition. And then, you know, small mods. I'm gonna show you guys that. It's just a little sneak peek. Slight things I did. And the back bench, the mama box is back there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's what I'm saying. You know, we are ready to go. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna go over the mods I did. So you know, you see, obviously it's tinted up. Windows tinted, tail lights tinted, blue LEDs and all that. So you know. But I just wanted to go over that real quick for you guys. I'm gonna make a 30-minute long video. But yeah, guys, my first experience grabbing a car from the car auction. Honestly, not bad. But I mean, I guess you would have to know what you're doing, because you know they do have all different types of cars in there. You know, older, newer, a lot of miles, little miles, beat up, engine lights, or you know, you just gotta do your research for real. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Till next time, stay tuned. Go.